Creating a design using shapes in Microsoft Word is very easy. We can create two shapes and combine them according to our wishes. For those of you who don't know how to combine two shapes, the method is very easy. Read this tutorial until the end to find out how. First, create two shapes that we will combine into one. Then to combine them, select all the shapes that we have created earlier. The method is to press the Control button on the keyboard, then click on the two shapes that we created earlier. After that, go to the Shape Format menu, then in the Arrange section, you select Group. Or you can also right-click the mouse on the shape that we have selected earlier, then select Group. Then the shapes will be combined into one. How easy, right? That's how to combine shapes in Word. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.